Hey guys, so we're gonna be organizing my drawers today. This is how everything is looking. So when we moved in, we sort of just like placed things everywhere. So bought this from Amazon. These are the containers. I also bought this paper from Amazon. So yeah, remove this and spray to wipe down our cabinet. I've already measured this and put like little pieces of Scotch tape on the corners. So as you can see, it's stuck here. And I'm just gonna place it in the drawer. And we have one left of this, and I'm gonna arrange them in here. And I put the little knobs. Make sure you put these little knobs at the bottom. It helps secure it from sliding, see? But when you put the knobs there,